Hey, this is Professor G. It's week 11. Want to move forward with our drafting of a winning elevator pitch. Your assignment this weekend is to draft a one-page elevator pitch. And this will be a pitch that you'll do in class in a couple weeks, 2 minutes long. But I want you to at least starting to put your thoughts onto paper to have some type of organization. I've actually put together a template that you can use with bullet points, and that's in the week 11 folder along with the other assignment details, but let me jump into it. When you are giving an elevator pitch, you want to start with a hook or a story. Essentially what you want to do is catch the audience's attention in that first 30 seconds. The next thing you'll do is you'll state the problem. What is the problem that you are going to tackle or solve? And do that in a context that relates it to a specific customer segment. So you've got to tell us who is experiencing this pain point or this problem. And then, as you're communicating the problem, is there some energy, kind of a sense of urgency? The solution and the value proposition. Do you have a compelling solution to the problem? The value proposition, what makes your solution stand out from others? What makes your solution distinctive? Why would I choose your solution over the other available options? Market opportunity. Is the market sizable? Will you generate enough revenue to exceed cost, which makes your venture viable? So mention the size of the market opportunity. Do you have a clear understanding of the customer segment? And then revenue streams. Tell us how you're going to make money. Try to tell us, 2 or 3 ways that you're going to make money. Multiple revenue streams is stronger. So first you're going to tell us how big the market is or the market opportunity, and then you're going to tell us more specifically how you're going to generate revenue from that market. What is your competitive advantage? Again, if you're standing in a crowded room, what makes you unique? What makes you stand out? What is your competitive advantage over others? If you do have competitors, it's okay to mention them very briefly. You don't even have to say the specific name of the company. You might say there are competitors, but you are unique, differentiated and then explain how. How do you close or conclude an elevator pitch? You use a call to action or next steps. So call to action, we want to invite the judges at Make a Pitch, for example, or the listener in another setting to join us in this adventure that we're about to take, which is this new venture, this new business. Here I give an example. We personally invite you to join us on our journey to build a football helmet that will greatly reduce the number of tragic head injuries by investing $1,100 into our new venture, which we will use to develop a winning website. Why $1,100? That is first place in the Make a Pitch competition. And so let's just, all for purpose of this class, we're going to assume that you're participating in Make a Pitch. I'm not going to force you to do that, but the style of pitch that we're going to do in this class will be in the context of the Make a Pitch competition. Finally, I put together a list of resources for you. Here are resources related to developing a winning hook, and down here we have resources related to the development and example of a winning elevator pitch. Check them out. They are great resources.